And a machine fire a hire my ref for Jamaica's game. Roughest out here, hear me talk? No pussy test. No in earth.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Vybrid. Yeah, man, Vybrid. First time I listen to one of the G-Dem track. Vybrid with Huemans. Huemans spell different. Huemans. Yes. Huemans. Yes, by Vybrid. It's a lyric video. Yes, a lyric video. Someone big up my G. Big up 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 music. Big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself. Your production. This, so you don't know, so you have to jump in on and hear where Vybrid have to say. So I'm gonna drop a like on the video there. Yes. And then we do this, and then we can do this, and then we can do this. Yes! Huemans, lyric video. Let's go. Big up yourself, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿.
Yeah, man. Yo, Jason, pass me a light.
Okay, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿.
You know the ones who cut you deep are the ones who close.
Sure.
Out of the hardest part of the ground, a rose can grow. And sometimes life get tough, me I tell you who feels it knows.
Who feels it knows it?
Them say the good die young, but it seems like the good die poor.
Sure. Melodies.
You know the ones who cut you deep are the ones who close.
Sure. Again.
Out of the hardest part of the ground, a rose can grow. And sometimes life get tough, me I tell you who feels it knows. Them say the good die young, but it seems like the good die poor. But Jaja God, we never make them get wet. Man a king in the jungle, we not take pet. All when them say go, we not take.
Now I'm gonna further and pull it up. Now I'm gonna further and pull it up.
Okay, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿.
Vybrid, first time I listen to one of your track, them, bro. You're bad. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 production, ready?
You know the ones who cut you deep are the ones who close. Out of the hardest part of the ground, a rose can grow.
Sure.
And sometimes life get tough, me I tell you who feels it knows.
Who feels it knows it, my friend?
Them say the good die young, but it seems like the good die poor.
That a facts. What one?
You know the ones who cut you deep are the ones who close. Out of the hardest part of the ground, a rose can grow. And sometimes life get tough, me I tell you who feels it knows. Them say the good die young, but it seems like the good die poor.
Talk to them, Vybrid, talk to them.
But Jaja God, we never make them get wet. Man a king in the jungle, we not take pet.
No.
All when them say go, we not take set.
No.
Remember the badness loud and we not take threat.
When them say go, we not take set, brother. And the mark text it go. When them say go, we not take set. Yeah, you can't program me, bro. You can't program me, dog. You can't program me, bro.
All when them say go, we not take set.
Never.
Remember the badness loud and we not take threat. Meds firm like Zion, fight iron with iron. Now make them trick we like where them do Brian. More them fight, we stand tall like giant. Now make them try take no food out my hand.
Never.
No time. The harder the battle, yo, the sweeter the victory get. More them fight, the strong we get. Everything them do, yo, we don't forget.
Me not forget.
The somehow in life, the more them we fight. But Jah will prepare me for when the blessings arrive. Somehow in life, the more them we fight. But Jah will prepare me for when the blessings arrive. You know the ones who cut you deep are the ones who close.
Yeah.
Out of the hardest part of the ground, a rose can grow. And sometimes life get tough, me I tell you who feels it knows. Them say the good die young, but it seems like the good die poor.
Book.
Pre-rough in my thoughts figure.
More.
Pick up the matic and tuck it in my shots. And make a step just for put food in the pot.
Go
Just
get her.
imagine if me never know ya.
Go get her.
The harder the battle, yo, the sweeter the victory get.
Tell
The more
them.
them fight, the strong we get. Everything them do, yo, we don't forget. But somehow in life, the more them we fight.
Yo, this body fuck.
Jah will prepare me for when the blessings arrive.
Oh, Bukla. Correct us, my bro. Big up yourself. Yes. Vybrid with Huemans. Them Huemans spell different. Huemans. One thing about that one, dog. That one is solid, bro. Great production. Big up yourself again, correct us. Great production. That one is solid. Solid. Vybrid. Vybrid. First I listen to one of your song them, bro. Vybrid. Yeah. Bad. Guys, a link to that one I left in the comment section. Go over there, go tell them what you think. And subscribe to the GV channel as well. Bad artists. We don't have to give bad artists strength, dog. I'm telling you that the music business is rough in a dog. So we don't have to give bad artists strength, dog. We don't have to do that, bro. Yeah, man. Solid song. You see me? The message in the song as well. Don't make it go over on the head. Don't make it go over on the head. Greatness, man. Yeah, man. You great, man. Great. Big up yourself, my G. Let him know what you think in the comment section about that one. And you can go over my channel, like me see that one, I go pin in the comment section. So go over there and make him know what you think. You see me? Tell him that JAMAICA'S game is selling over there. Alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one, though. Peace.
Binds! I know, sir, one nation I represent for JAMAICA'S game. Him a react, we a watch.